Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look a mess. I only have my eyebrows done and you'll see why in a second, but I do want to let you guys know some stuff first. My background, don't even worry about my background anymore. Y'all, I'm moving it. I'm getting rid of it. It's not working out. Anyways, also this, you see my neck has these two little red splotches on them. It's itchy, it's a rash. I don't know where it came from. I have the new WetNWild 40 palette. Now, this is what the box looks like, what it comes in. It is a big palette, you guys, so it's hard for me to even see if I'm in the frame when, I'm showing you. And then we have the actual physical palette here. When we open it, okay, so even though this palette looks familiar and there was a lot of drama, I still went ahead and bought it. I got it for the price of $19.99. I don't know if that's going to be a staple price. They said get it for a limited time. Shipping was fast as crap, you guys. I ordered it and it shipped not even an hour. Could have been an hour afterwards. But I'm on the website right now. It says online exclusive. It says in celebration of our 40th anniversary, introducing our most talked about palette ever, the 40 palette. This buzzed about palette includes the most loved and iconic shadow colors in our vault. This limited edition palette features 40 high-performance super pigmented shadows in matte, pearl, and metallic finishes designed to flatter all skin tones. Day or night, these iconic shades are packed with the highest quality ingredients to create buttery soft textures that blend seamlessly for vibrant, long-lasting looks. It also says includes 40 colorful shades with buttery soft mattes, rich shades, and gleaming shimmers. Formulated for ultra pigmentation, seamless blendability, and long-lasting wear, can be used wet or dry for high compact color. The back of it just looks like this. I guess that's eyeshadow. There's some eyeshadow that got on the front too. Hard to wipe off. This is definitely one of those palettes where if the shadow gets on, it's hard to get it off. It's gonna stain, it's gonna smear. But it's really soft. And you guys, I look crazy with just eyebrows on. Okay, so let's get into some swatches. I'm not going to swatch all 40 shades. That's too many. I like swatches personally, and as much as I would like to sit here and swatch all 40 for you, I'm not going to. I will tell you, they do feel a tiny bit chalky. Some of them feel a lot more smooth than the others. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my finger. So they look pretty nice. I'm gonna swatch them, I guess, right here on my arm. So I'm gonna get closer. Here is the yellow one. Okay. Here is the orange one. Here is the purple. And the blue. Those are actually really pretty. I'm not mad at them. They are a bit chalky, like flaking off as I'm talking. See, okay, so here's the thing. I'm going to do 2 looks with this palette. And don't forget, before I get into these 2 looks, to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos. We're going to do voiceovers and music overs, whatever you want to call them. Let's hop into some looks, guys. Okay, so for this first look, I wanted to give you guys something more fall inspired, definitely since it's going into the fall season and this palette is releasing around fall time. I wanted to give you guys something, a bit fall related, something you could do quick, easy. And I will have all of the stuff that I use down below. I don't think the palette is, the shades are named. So if they are, I'll check again and I'll have that down below. If not, I actually counted. I'll count, and then whatever number shade that I used, I would definitely put that down in the description box for you guys. Now I will say that these mattes were definitely easy to blend. They look super beautiful on the eyes. None of them ever really gave me any issues. They all blended like a dream. They went exactly where I wanted them to go. They swatched beautifully. So yeah, I definitely really like the matte shades in this palette. I haven't tried out every shimmer shade, but for the matte so far that I've used, I really like them, especially for this look. Okay, so here I'm using the orange shimmer shade, and this is with a dry brush. I did not wet the brush. And I had to go back and actually zoomed you guys in closer so you could kind of see what happens after I wet the brush. Do you see what happened when I was going in with the dry brush? It wasn't super pigmented. I'm just building it up. It is definitely a buildable like shimmer shade. Not one of the, I mean, it swatches beautifully, but it does swatch a bit sheer, and I just keep building it up to like my desired, you know, preference. You can build it up however you want to. I wanted that really neonish looking pumpkin orange in like the lid. It's not exactly a cut crease, but it's in that direction. I'm sorry I'm out of frame right there. I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing. I was blending with the same brushes as before, and then I'm taking the same shades on the lower lash line. You guys, can you guys see how beautifully this look made my eyes pop? And then that shade right there that I'm using for the inner corner is absolutely stunning. Like, it's definitely like a topper shade and definitely meant for the inner corner. Like, when I seen this, when I put it on, I gasped. I was like, oh my god, it is definitely beautiful. And this is the finished eye look I did with the palette. See, super easy, super fall. And here's the full look, and I will have everything I used, you know, either on Instagram or down below. Most likely I will have all the face products and stuff on Instagram when I post the photos. So make sure you are following me over there so you know. Okay, and now for this second look, you guys, this purple matte is really pretty. It's buildable, but it's that one type of shade where the more you add colors with it, the more it might fade away or become patchy. Like, by itself, it looks absolutely stunning, but I did have to work extra hard to make it not look patchy once I started adding stuff. And as you can see, that white shade in the palette is definitely not as vibrant as it needs to be, especially not on my eyes. It is a bit chalky and, you know, dusty. Like, when you put it on that lid, it does kind of like disappear. This pink shade is really pretty. Now for this shade here, you guys, this is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm putting it on, and I'm having to constantly layer it up. So I did have a bit of an issue with this. I don't know if it's because I went in on like just over the eyeshadow, but it definitely wasn't giving me the payoff I wanted. And the more I put it on, the more I saw around the purple. You see where it looks a bit patchy, and I'm having to like blend in that area, and it's just not helping. So this look I did struggle a bit with, not even gonna lie to you. It does come out pretty in the end, but I struggled a lot. So I ended up having to constantly layer up stuff that I didn't need to layer up. I did end up going in with another shimmer shade, just kind of over that patchy area to kind of see if I could blend it even more. And that's the one I'm using right now. So I put like 2 shimmer shades on. Those 2 shimmer shades mixed together beautifully. And then like the purple kind of wanted to stick in one spot. Here I'm showing you guys how the fallout looks. It did definitely stick to my skin, so I had to reapply concealer. These blue shades that I'm fixing to use on the lower lash line are absolutely gorgeous, and this look actually made my eyes look really nice too. I don't know what it is about this palette and my eyes, but they're definitely making like my eyes like pop, like the colors just popped. And of course, using that same inner corner shade as the last one, y'all, that is probably my favorite shimmer shade in the actual palette. And here is the full look. And again, once I post this photo to Instagram, you will see all the full details, but all of the eyeshadow details will be down in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more swatches for you guys of some of these shades that you probably were curious about. I still don't want to do the whole 40, but I guess since you guys made it this far into the video, then you deserve to see some more swatches. This one that I used on my lid I thought was a duochroma shade, but here are 4 more. Now these are gorgeous. I should have did a look with these greens. I'm so impressed with this shade right here. Now, I don't know if these stain. Let's do a couple more. Ooh, oh my. I cannot wait to do more looks with this palette. Wow, they're gold. Those were the swatches, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have been going all day with this video, so I really hope you enjoyed it. And thumbs up for all my hard work today. 2 looks in one day and filming the video the whole time, and I'm hot and I'm sweating. Please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe. And if you want me to do more looks with this palette, let me know what colors you guys want to see, because I would definitely, I would love to pull this palette back out and show you guys. So yeah, thumbs up, you guys. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.